What's up, y'all? I'm looking a little rough. The only time I get a chance to do this is when I'm looking like the way I'm looking right now. But as some of you know, I am a cosmetologist by trade. That's one of the trades that I have, so I can cut my own hair and all of that. It's just all about having the time. And with the baby, it's super hard to do that. And being though I'm one of the only um, barbers or whatever cosmetologists that actually cut coarse hair in an area, it just makes it super difficult. But anyways, this particular video is about investments. I had one person that messaged me, and I thought that maybe this would be a opportunity to create a video on investments. Um, that person in general, and I had others in the past that came to me and wanted some help on learning how to or promote what they're doing. You have companies that's out there right now. They're trying to recruit people to promote their business. It's not like a franchise, but it's something similar. You work under the company, but pretty much you got to go out and sell yourself. Um, so when investments right now, okay, so basically an investment broker, what the investment broker does is you go to an investment company or firm, and they have brokers there, and what the brokers do is basically um, buy and sell the stock that you want, and for a fee. So basically, if you want to buy, I don't know, stock in my company, let's just say, if my company was public, okay, that's another topic. But if my company was public and I had shares of my company for sale, you would go to an investment broker. An investment broker would then charge you a percentage of what you want to buy. And usually, I think it's something like $50 or something like that. So if the stock was only $4 a share, and you only wanted to buy a couple shares, let's say you wanted to buy $20 worth of that company, for an example, you would have to spend $70 because 50 of those dollars go to your broker. So what apps like Robinhood and Acorn, well, let's start with Robinhood. With an app like Robinhood, basically it eliminated the broker. So you just go on the app, you download the app, and then when you go to buy and sell stock, it's all right there. It's for free. You don't have to worry about being charged a fee to buy or sell. So that's the technology. Now with Acorn, what happens is you connect that to your account. So if you went to go buy a cheeseburger or something like that, say your change came back, say you swipe your card and the cheeseburger was 5.54. Acorn takes the 54 cents and invest for you inside the stock market. And I'm not positive if it's like a mutual fund or whatever how they do that, but that's how they do that. So the new generation right now, that's how they are investing. Only the older people who aren't too tech savvy, they're the only ones that's still using brokers. And I spoke to one person because I was going to give a class. They do like different separate classes and stuff, mainly for older, elderly individuals, and they just couldn't understand the concept that I was saying, and so they decided not to let me offer the class to them, which I was just like, it's just kind of. I even offered. I said, you know what? If you don't understand what I'm doing, I'll teach all the teachers about it, and then we move on to teaching, offering a class at your building or whatever. But again, this is just one of the problems with the generation gap. They a lot of people just don't understand and can't see that the times are changing, things are changing, and the things that we were kind of brought up on are, and the people older than us, that they were raised up on is about to be extinct pretty much. Just like the dinosaurs, the way people did. the way we used to doing everything is changing to the technology, the AI, and things are just getting automated through robotics. I mean, it's making our life easier, but it's still some concerns there. But anyway, with that said, I figured I would share some insight on investments, and my opinion about that again is, if you're thinking about getting into investments and spending your time on um, trying to get your broker's license, and what I suggested was, try real estate. If you a type of person that wants to have like something under your belt and some type of license, and try real estate, try being a real estate broker. And again, that's a limited time, but at least you can. So people go through you to buy investment properties, and you can have different businesses and stuff like that to go through you to buy and sell businesses and stuff like that. So, in my opinion, that's the best route to go if you want that license and you want to be, you're looking to do something to further yourself. All right. With that said, forgive my looks again. Um, Hopefully next time I do a video, I look a little better. I have time to cut my hair. I'm doing this while the baby is asleep right now, so it's very fast. You have a good day. Peace and blessings.